Hello, this is Kathryn. I'm an educator, author, and life coach, and I'm here to talk to you about my course, Unlock Your True Purpose and Ignite Your Dreams. You're here because perhaps you simply know there is more to life than the one you're living, and you're curious about what your true life purpose is. Or perhaps you're experiencing some dissatisfaction and frustration about the way your life is going, because you know you should be living a life with more joy, purpose, and meaning. This course is designed to take you on a journey, step by step, to uncover the true purpose of your life, to interact with your future life, and to set clear goals to bridge you from now to then, through the structured videos and worksheets that I've designed specially to do that. You'll come out having done some deep work on yourself, to uncover your true purpose, and with some clear step-by-step goals to transform your life from where you are now to one with greater joy and positive impact. Click the button or link near to the video and it will take you to the course page where you can purchase it and gain immediate access to all of the modules. I'm so happy you've chosen your happiness. I'll see you on the other side.